prominent
Haitian
Haitians that
music
you probably
television.
didn't know but who are well known.
Maxwell.
Gerald Maxwell Rivera, an American singer, songwriter, record producer, and multi-instrumentalist of Haitian ancestry, was born on May 23, 1973, in Brooklyn, New York. He gained notoriety after his debut studio album, Maxwell's Urban Hang Suite, was released in 1996.
1990-1994, beginnings.
The Brooklyn, New York native started writing music at the age of 17 after acquiring a cheap Casio piano from a friend. Son of a Haitian mother and a Puerto Rican father, he has received 2 NAACP Image Awards, 3 Grammy Awards, and 6 Soul Train Music Awards, and much more, for his innovative contributions to the music industry.